Hi everybody, in this demonstration we're going to use a dry brine for this salmon. It's 2 cups of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of kosher salt, and 2 tablespoons of fresh ground black pepper. Whisk it together and we'll add it to the salmon here in a few. Alright, once everything's mixed together well, we're going to put a base down of the brown sugar, salt, and pepper mix in this half-size steam pan. The salmon's going to come in direct contact with it. And over the course of this brine, it's actually going to cure this salmon and make it some of the best salmon you've ever had in your life. Ideally, all these salmon are laying flat in the bottom of the pan and we don't stack any, but you can see I'm playing a little bit of Tetris here. I just had one too many fillets, but that's alright, we'll get it done. The key is all the salmon has to be covered with this brine, so we're going to go ahead and put a nice thick layer right on top. And don't be stingy. We had one remaining fillet that wouldn't quite fit in the bottom, so we'll just put it right in the middle here on top and put some more of this brine right on it. We want to make sure every little piece of this salmon is covered. And when this is done, you won't believe it. You'll see it's going to all turn to liquid. It's pretty great. Cover with press and seal or saran wrap or foil. Stick it in the fridge. We're going to fridge this for about 8 hours or overnight. And look at that, the brown sugar and everything just melted right in. Okay, now that this brine is done with and the salmon's cured, we are washing it thoroughly. We're literally washing everything off, placing them on a rack like I have here. This rack is actually going to go right onto the Green Mountain Grill smoker and smoke the salmon to give it some additional flavor. But at the moment, this salmon all by itself, you could technically eat this the way it is. It's cured, safe to eat, and delicious as it is. Ideally, there's no extra moisture sitting on top of the salmon when it goes into the smoker, so just pat it dry with a paper towel, just like this. To get a ton of smoke flavor, we're going to actually put these on the mountain before it's even turned on. You can see it's in the off position there on the left. Set them in the center, and then we're going to turn the Green Mountain on and let it warm up to 150. As soon as it gets to 150 degrees, we're going to set it to 175 and smoke these for 3 hours at that temp. During that warm-up, smoke was hammering these salmon. Now we're going to raise it to 175 and smoke for the 3 hours. They'll be done at that time. Here we are about 2 hours in. Man, do these look good. The smell too, I just can't even explain how good it is. After a 3-hour smoke at 175, again they warmed up to 150 and then went 3 hours at 175. These salmon are done. Delicious. Look at them. You can see the color they got since they've been brined, and they're going to make a great meal. Enjoy!